Okay, it's 6 o'clock on my first morning in Kathmandu. I've just woken up and come out on the balcony, and this is what greets me at the window. Ooh, there was a bird. Sounds of everything waking up. People starting their bikes, people opening the shutters of their shops, dogs barking every time someone goes past. I'm going to go down here and show you the other side. Ooh. Keep going round, keep going into here, check out this street, isn't that lovely? And there to there. How do I turn this off? No.